guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are entering week 3 of 52 weeks of clean, which is the new series that I have started on my channel where I am going through every single week deep cleaning a different part of my house, and I want you guys to follow along with me so that way by the end of the year we will have touched every single area in your home that normally you wouldn't think to clean. So this week's episode we're going to be going a little bit different than what we've done before, and this is something that people probably do every once in a while, but it's not one of those chores that you do very often, and we're talking about deep cleaning your couch. So I am going to be using my carpet cleaner, and it has an attachment that you can do upholstery with. So I'm going to be using that, but if you don't have that, you can just use a bowl of hot water and some soap. That's all you need. That's what I used to do before I had my carpet cleaner. I would just use a bowl of hot water. If you have carpet cleaner soap, if you have access to that, use that. I've just used dish soap before, and honestly, it has helped. It works. Anything works. Use laundry detergent. That works totally fine. And just get a cloth, scrub it out. So that's what we're going to do today. It's not going to take that long. Like I said, I'm going to try to break up these chores by doing like kind of some bigger ones followed by some smaller ones, so that way if one week you don't have time to do something, you can double up on the next week or whatever. So today we're going to go through, we're going to deep clean our couches, and I'm going to start by vacuuming with my Dyson and then follow it up with my carpet cleaner. And I will have both of those linked in my description blocks. I will have both of those linked in my description box below in case you're wanting to purchase either of those. The carpet cleaner that we got, it was a pretty great price. I bought it quite a while ago, so I'd hate to say, but I think it was around the $100 mark, maybe $150. I can't remember exactly right now, but later on when I'm editing, I will link it in my description box in case you're looking to purchase one. I really enjoy this one, and I do have a full review of it up on my channel. I will link it in the iCards up here somewhere. But anyways, I digress. Let's get on into cleaning.
All right, guys, so here we go. We're going to start, of course, by vacuuming. So I just got my Dyson, which I will have linked in my description box below. Once again, I get a lot of questions about my Dyson. Absolutely love it. Can't recommend it enough. So I'm just going through. I've got the pet hair attachments here, and my cats are famous for sitting, as you can see. Priya is sitting there right now. They just sit there and they just get cat hair absolutely everywhere. So sometimes it can take me a little while to vacuum, and I want to make sure that I'm doing a really good job this time since we are going to be going over it with the steam cleaner. So I'm going to go ahead and vacuum it first, and then I'm going to take everything apart and get to using the steam cleaner on it. And also, you guys will see in a minute here once I remove the cushions, but we have a sofa bed and there's just tons of crumbs and just everything underneath there. You guys can even probably start to see it now here right away. Yeah, there's crumbs there. So we're going to have to vacuum that up as well.
Never settle for anything less than everything. Facing the wind from the roof, right steer on a high-speed journey to somewhere.
Oh my goodness, you guys, I don't know if you can really tell because I have it sped up, but for a couple of seconds there, I forgot how to use it, and I was just spraying water everywhere. And I was like, what is going on? How do I use this?
Looking for a pen, a stack of hay, recalling the thrills of the love you know. This is the sound to be tuned into. What your heart tells you is where you need to be. What your heart tells you is what you need to see. Never settle for anything less than everything. Never settle for anything less than everything.
Buy what I want, I don't want it. Do what I like, I don't like it. My life is a mess, screaming with boredom. I don't feel nothing when I'm buzzing. Someone adds some glamorous hurt, 'cause when I sleep alone dress when I split. Shoot me a blink, I'm dying from boredom. I even lie when I tell the truth. Honestly, what's the use? They say you have to be beaten up before you're tender enough. They say you have to bruise to feel. I must be made out of steel. No one is in charge of my steering. This I know, this I know, this I know. Hoping dreams are meant to be shared and seen. No, I know, yes I know. Reading watercolors outside the lines is uplifting and no crime. Get out of the box, let me show you how. Here we go. No one is in charge of my steering. This I know, this I know, this I know. Hoping dreams are meant to be shared and seen. No, I know, yes I know. Reading watercolors outside the lines is uplifting and no crime. Get out of the box, let me show you how. Here we go.
Okay guys, so I don't know if you can see this water, but it definitely looks gross. Here, let's open her up. Oh yeah, yeah. So you guys, we just did this spring, and look at how gross that water is. So you definitely need to be doing this a couple of times a year. Literally, it's been like, what, 7 months, maybe 8 months since we did it? Yeah. So I'm really happy that we did this today.
Okay guys, so now we are moving on to my couch and love seat downstairs, and this one is pretty easy to do because it's like just the fake kind of leather, so it's not fabric, so it's easy just to wipe it down. I'm just using, like I said earlier, I'm just going to use a cloth and some warm water. I'm going to use a little bit of laundry detergent in a bowl of hot water and just wipe it down, and that's all I'm going to do, and that's totally fine.
So as you guys can see, I don't know if you can really tell, it is a little bit cloudy. Whoops, oh my god, I just dropped them. It's a little bit cloudy. It's not nearly as bad as the fabric one was, but it is a little bit cloudy, so I am glad that I did it. And like I said, that's all that it takes. Just a rag, some water. That's all you have to do. Okay, you guys, thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I hope I gave you some deep cleaning inspiration, and make sure you come back here every single Thursday because we will have a new chore to add to our list so that we can get our homes deep cleaned throughout the year. Hope you're having an awesome day. Hit the subscribe button if you're new, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see